Visit nedbankcup.co.za and register to stand a chance to win a share of 5 million rands and 500,000 for your Stokvel accounts. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the DSTV Premiership. Sekhukhune 2, Orlando Pirates 1. I'm joined by fan, my brother Libitso ke Mango tswa ko kae?
Libitso ke Manelo ke tswa ka mo Mleja Rapids.
What did you think about today's game, my brother?
I'm very disappointed. The coach. I'm very disappointed mfowethu. Coach ujera ma quality players wethu. Wawabeka benchini.
Why?
Ule pasa ngaphandle ukapinga ngaphandle. Amen. Ama-player ngabesuyile game ungaphandle naye uyabona into njengaleyo mfowethu.
Yeah, my brother.
We can't play second half.
You can't.
You have to win the game from the first.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So what
he decided to take our quality players and put them outside.
Why did he do that, my brother?
I don't know. You see this coach that are coming from outside.
Yeah.
They always plan the game in different ways.
Yeah.
We need local coaches who knows how Orlando Pirates operate. So coaches are the tactics so we know the game after the second half and so forth.
Yeah.
So we need to win the game from the first half.
Coach.
I am not. I'm not.
We are not.
Maybe they were right. Abarike Plumber. Maybe they were right. Abarike Plumber. No, it's obvious. Or Sundowns is just walking away with everything.
Yeah,
we were supposed to put pressure on them. So now we are how can we lose?
He's squad. Yeah, he's changing the squad each and every game. So we are worried about this coach.
I don't know about no Chiefs. Goalkeeper is the coach now at Kaizer Chiefs.
Serious, man.
Peterson. Peterson is the coach now. He's telling Johnson what to do.
Let's talk about